In this video, I will show you all the working methods to fix error code 0x8070 or 0x2006 on Windows 11. We will go through 5 quick methods using the Update Troubleshooter, resetting Windows Update components, clearing temporary files, repairing system files, and using the Media Creation tool to finish the update. Let's start right away. First method, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click the Start menu, open Settings, then go to System, click on Troubleshoot, then choose Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, and click Run. Windows will scan for issues that may block the update and automatically fix them. Once it's done, restart your PC and try updating again. Second method, reset Windows Update components manually. Click on Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type these commands one by one and press Enter after each netstop wizard, netstop bits, netstop crips, vc. Now restart the services by typing netstart wizard and netstart bits. Then type netstart crips evc. After that, close the window and restart your computer. Third method, clear temporary files. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, type temp, and hit Enter. Delete everything inside, then do the same again, but type %temp% and remove those files too. Finally, type prefetch, press Enter, and delete all the files inside that folder as well. This will free up space and remove any corrupted update cache. Fourth method, repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator again, type SFC/scanout and hit Enter, then wait until it completes. If it says Windows found and repaired files, restart your PC. If it says some files couldn't be fixed, run this command next. Dismesta online C cleanup image, restore health. After it finishes, restart your computer and check for updates again. Fifth method, use the Media Creation tool to update manually. Go to the Microsoft official website, search for Windows 11 Media Creation tool, download it, run the setup, and choose Upgrade this PC now. Follow the on-screen instructions, and it will reinstall or update Windows without deleting your files or apps. This method almost always fixes this error when normal updates fail. After completing these steps, your Windows 11 update should work perfectly again. Remember to keep your internet stable and your antivirus temporarily disabled during the update if it interferes. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes. See you in the next video.